To make a small bobble in your knitting, we're going to knit 3 times into one stitch. So we knit into the front, but don't complete the stitch, don't slide this off. Then knit into the back, and again don't complete the stitch, and then 3rd time into the front of the stitch, and this time we slide that stitch off. So we've made 3 stitches out of 1. Now we're going to turn the work, and we're going to purl across these 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now we turn again, and we're going to reduce this back down to 1 stitch. Slip the first stitch knitwise, knit the next 2 stitches together, and then pass the slipped stitch up over that top stitch. And there we have created a little bobble.